Today I'm going to show you 5 different ways that you can make popcorn while you're up camping. So stay tuned. Hi, thank you for joining me today. I'm so excited. We're going to have some poppin' fun. So today I'm going to show you 5 different ways that you can make popcorn when you're up camping. After all, who doesn't love some hot, fresh, buttery popcorn while you're sitting around the campfire? So hey, if we haven't met yet, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and our channel is about all things camping. You know, whether you tent camp or you RV camp, our goal is to just help you have a great camping experience. So let's get started. Okay, the first way I'm going to show you is super simple. All you need is some popcorn, oil, and some heavy-duty tinfoil. Just take some aluminum foil. The heavy duty will help to ensure that it doesn't burn. And then maybe a 12 by 12 piece of foil. Just gonna make a little pocket, and we're gonna use about a tablespoon of oil. And then a tablespoon of popcorn, just kind of eyeballing it. Now I'm going to fold the sides up diagonally. And then fold up these sides so it kind of makes a little bit of a tent. Now, we'll just take your marshmallow stick or a regular stick, and we're just going to fold that now over the top of it. Okay, the second way we're gonna do it is you just need a pan with a lid, and get yourself a fire glove. This comes in real handy. Okay, for this step, we're just going to take a pan and put a little bit of vegetable oil in it to cover the bottom. And then we're gonna use, like I say, I'm just kind of eyeballing it, but enough to popcorn to just kind of cover the bottom, if you can kind of see that. Now, the trick to this one is we're going to want to put the lid on, put it over the coals, and then continually shake it. So this is where a fire glove will come in handy while we're shaking it. Okay, the third way we're going to do it is you just need a Dutch oven. Okay, for the Dutch oven method, we're just gonna take our vegetable oil and just kind of have a thin layering of vegetable oil on the bottom. And then just like the pan, we're gonna sprinkle enough popcorn in just to kind of cover the bottom. And then kind of spread it around. So when we have this over the fire, we are just going to put the lid on and then shake it every now and then to keep those popcorns moving and popping so they don't burn. So the fourth way is we're going to use actual popcorn poppers that are made for camping. We're going to use this little puppy over the campfire, and then this fun one on our camp stove. Okay, so for the fourth method, we're gonna use the popcorn poppers that I just purchased off Amazon. Now this first one is the most like movie theater popcorn. So we're going to pour, once again, about a tablespoon of oil, and then, about a tablespoon of popcorn. What's fun about this is you can do it in the coals. Today I'm just going to show you how we do it on our camp stove. But instead of having to shake it so it doesn't burn, you just actually move the handle and it keeps the popcorn from burning and keeps it popping. Okay, the second popcorn popper is one that we'll just use over the coals tonight. So we'll pop it open and put about a tablespoon of oil and about a tablespoon of popcorn. Okay, and last but not least, who doesn't love some Jiffy Pop? So, which one was your favorite, or which one have you tried before? I hope I've given you maybe some tips or some tricks on how you can make popcorn the next time you're camping. Hey, thank you so much for watching. We loved having you along. If you got some value out of this video, give me a big thumbs up. We'd also love to have you subscribe to our channel. Oh, and check out our Facebook group. It's called Adventures Campfire Connection, where like-minded campers like you can get together and we can share stories and experiences. Hey, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye. Very good.